Pretty soon you will not need to visit the Sphere in Las Vegas to experience full immersion entertainment, or even the visual entertainment emitting from the many LED lights on its outdoor surface. There were plenty of headsets to try at CES that offer an immersive experience, indicating that the metaverse is not forgotten, even though it wasn't the main theme as it was in the past. After visiting some of the exhibitors at CES, like Magic Leap, Art Labs or MetaView, it emerged that the first one to experience the metaverse are workers in technical fields and for training applications, such as engineers, architects, doctors and pilots. Most of the headsets featured virtual immersion, but one feature that we experienced that it is not always highlighted during VR headset presentations is virtual presence. We tried a meeting with Holoch, a Japanese startup that is developing software that allows anyone to create a hologram of themselves. Within seconds we were able to interact with a holographic person who felt as close and natural as a real person. For the record, the progress and the relevance of the metaverse was also highlighted at Davos during the World Economic Forum. Listen to what it was said in a panel with representatives from Meta and the advertising world.
You can actually create very bespoke, personalized training, which is incredibly motivating for people. It feels much more fun. Let's not forget there's a whole fun element. We know we're being very heavy here. There's a whole fun element that comes with immersion, what comes with virtual reality and augmented reality. And so we're actually seeing that people are actually enjoying their training, enjoying their education a lot more as well. And then we're also seeing collaboration. People coming together away from the loneliness point. Actually, you can bring different people from different places in the world. We see this through healthcare. We see surgeons training in different parts of the world coming together, where they can actually train together in different places, or engineers coming together and solving business problems together in 3D, in the round, working together, doing things that actually wouldn't be possible in the real world.
The metaverse came in, was much maligned, it was the source of all evil, unfairly so. And that has changed. It's changed quite dramatically. I mean, it probably was overhyped in the initial phases, and we've seen that come back, and it's now re-establishing a base. And I think people underestimate today the commercial value, entertainment value, music value that's inherent there.
People love immersive experiences, and we could tell from the booths at CES with the longest lines. Two of them were Netflix and Hyundai. To promote Three Body Problem, a new science fiction series, Netflix invited visitors inside a sort of a trailer, and here they could wear a VR headset that transported them into scenes inspired by the series. Hyundai, on the other hand, was one of the few companies with booths designed to immerse the public in videos, props and product demonstrations. And this is Brylon, a MIT spin-off which recently launched the Ultra Reality Screen, a 122-inch virtual screen presented in a sleek 32-inch package. The main goal of the screen is to consolidate all the content that a user would normally see on a giant display into a smaller one, but without losing any detail. The main target is business users that need to visualize complex datasets in 3D, or collaborate with colleagues across continents in virtual workspaces, or immerse themselves into 3D architectural models. The screen is also great for gamers who stream professionally and want to stay at the top of their game. The new display offers in fact a cinematic experience, but more importantly, it features an increased peripheral vision, a key strategic feature for gamers, and all of this without causing eye fatigue. Speaking of 360 content, consumers can now create their own immersive experiences thanks to the QCam 3 Ultra 360 camera by Kendo. We saw the camera at CES, and the first thought we had was, this is where GoPro meets Instant 360. The quality of the images was impressive, and these are the specs that were presented with the camera. Nobody talks about 3D TV anymore, but 3D images without glasses are still something that some tech companies are working on. Laptop manufacturer Acer, for example, announced the Aspire 3D 15 Spatial Labs. This is a laptop targeting gamers that want to have a 3D gaming experience without using 3D glasses. To add the third dimension, Acer uses a proprietary AI model that transforms 2D content into 3D in real time. And for creators who want to offer content in 3D but don't have the means or the proprietary model of Acer, the alternative is Owl 3D. This is a service that transforms traditional video content into 3D. You will still need 3D glasses, but the representatives we met at CES say that most of their subscribers watch the content in 3D through VR headsets like the Oculus from Meta. There are already several solutions that convert 2D content into 3D, but our 3D differs from traditional converters by using AI. Instead of using pixel colors for estimation, the AI model uses billions of parameters to predict and generate detailed depth data, creating a more immersive 3D experience. And if you still prefer your old TV, there are innovations also in the way we watch traditional television. Lattice Semiconductors develops processors that can help you choose your channel or your favorite TV program simply by using your fingers in the air, without a remote control. Users that watch a video on the computer instead can select from a menu by simply using their eyes. You can watch the technology behind this application in a previous video about FPGA, the chip architecture that might become the next revolution in AI. And since we mentioned the Sphere at the beginning of this video, we must also mention See Beyond by the Italian startup Sunspeaker. The company, based in the city of Turin, recently patented a technology about an adhesive wrap for solar panels. Instead of a grey piece of aluminum, the solar panel can be customized with images printed on a film, and the idea is being pitched to advertising agencies looking for innovative outdoor advertising options. Sunspeaker is also developing a film that can display moving images. While it might not be like the surface of the Sphere in Las Vegas, it offers a similar kind of entertainment, and it is definitely much cheaper.